So I've decided to start this video off with doggos because I've got bad news on top of bad news. The other night I was driving and I messed up pretty bad. And as you can see, the Honda has suffered. Long story short, I messed up. I'm not gonna go into details about the accident, but the car got T-boned and obviously it's a write-off. So I'm parting it out and we're just gonna have to go find a new project. And then on top of that, I was driving my Audi around today. I reinsured that and I've been driving that recently because of this. And I've noticed the catch can is filling up quite rapidly. It's also smoking at idle and just it has a weird exhaust note. It sounds like it's a little bit low on one cylinder, as like compression wise. So I'm pretty sure the piston rings are gone in one of the cylinders on the Audi as well. So there's more bad news on top of this. And yeah, so I'm just gonna, I've got a guy interested in some parts, so today I'm gonna tear the turbo kit off of this thing. Exhaust, turbo, oil lines, all that stuff. That's all coming off. He's taken the seats, steering wheel, and I've sold a bunch of other parts already. So if anybody is local to Okanagan, British Columbia, I'm in Vernon. So if anybody's local and needs parts, let me know. You can find me on Instagram if you need to message me. I don't think YouTube has direct message anymore. So Instagram at @ILikeAutosDaily, obviously. You guys know that. So yeah, I'm gonna start tearing into this thing and then I'm gonna do a compression test on the Audi that's sitting outside and hopefully learn something there. But yeah. Check out that camber though. Me. I'm still pretty proud of that downpipe. I think that's probably one of the best bits of exhaust work I've ever done. Just look at it. Cleaned. Now I'm just gonna tack them together with the MIG welder, and then I'm gonna go and TIG weld them. Wow. It kind of hurts my feelings to be taking this car apart. It's a bit of a turd, but I liked it. I know. Comment down below what you guys think I should get next. I need something fuel efficient, so 4-cylinder, possibly turboed. I drive 50 kilometers each way every morning to go to work. So I need something that's gonna be good on gas, something that's gonna be cheap on insurance, but I also want something that's kinda cool. So maybe put some suggestions down below. I've been thinking TDIs, because of diesel and good fuel mileage. There's been some, like a CRV would be cool, possibly. Stanza CRV, never seen that done before. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let me know down below. Oh, that's sick. I love it. I just spent like an hour looking for this freaking compression tester, and it was in the bottom drawer of my toolbox. I just had to move something. It was right there. Yeah. So I've removed all the spark plugs, unplugged all the injectors so it's not squirting fuel into the cylinders, and we'll start on cylinder 1 here. I'll get you guys set up so you can see the tester and I'll go crank it. Uh, 55 psi on cylinder 1. That's a good start. Cylinder 2 made 155-ish psi. Cylinder 1 made 55. Well, I think on that bombshell, I'm gonna end this video here. Basically in about a week I went from 2 road legal vehicles to none, which is awesome. So, wish me luck. Thanks for watching. You can DM me for parts on this thing on Instagram at ILikeAutosDaily. Like and subscribe, that always helps. And we'll see you in the next one.